Hi, in today's video we will continue the topic simple simultaneous equations. In today's video we will learn how to determine the solution of equation involving fractions. So this is the first example. As you see, there are fractions in your equation. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now when you see the coefficient of x here is 1 by 2. The coefficient of x here is 1 by 2. It is same. Here again the coefficient of y is 1 by 2 and the coefficient of y here is minus 1 by 2. So if you see here, it is having plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So as soon as you look into this question, you can find that your elimination method is easy, because easily you can eliminate this and find the value of x. So in case in your question, if it is not mentioned to use any particular method, for example certain questions they will mention solve this set of equation using method of substitution or method of elimination. If it is not mentioned, it is up to you to follow your method as per your convenience. So if it is not mentioned, now our first thing when we look on to this question is our elimination method is easy. So when I add 1 and 2, when your signs are different, you will add the two equations. Now this is method of elimination. Alright, so when I add these two equations, this will be cancelled, plus y by 2 and minus y by 2. So what will happen to this? It will become x by 2 plus x by 2 is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Now when I take my LCM, it is x plus x, which is equal to 4. 2x by 2 is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 2. X is equal to 4. Now I got the value of x as 4. Now to get the value of y, I will either substitute in the first equation or in the second equation. So I am substituting x is equal to 4 in the first equation. My first equation is x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 3. Now the value of x I got is 4. So 4 by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 3. Now 4 by 2 we can reduce it further to 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 3. Now y by 2 is equal to 2 goes to the other side, it becomes 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. When 2 goes to the other side, division. When it goes to the other side, it becomes multiplication. So y is equal to 2 into 1, which is 2. Therefore the value of y is 2. Our solution is x comma y, which is 4 comma 2. Therefore this is our solution. Now to check whether your answer is correct, you will go and substitute the value of x and y in the given equation. So my value of x is 4 and the value of y is 2. So when I substitute 4 by 2, my answer is 2, plus 2 by 2, my answer is 1. So 2 plus 1 gives me 3. I am getting my right hand side as it is. So my answer is 3. So my solution which I got for these two equations is 4 comma 2, which is correct as we checked it here. Now the same question, if we follow method of substitution. Now we will try the same question using method of substitution. Alright. So for method of substitution, we need to find the value of x or the value of y. For that, the first equation and second equation, which is in the form of fraction, we will take the LCM and remove the fractions. For example, here x by 2 plus y by 2, the LCM is 2. So x plus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 3 into 2, 6. This is a new equation which we got. Now here again, now the first equation became in this form. Now the second equation, again here the LCM is 2. So 2 x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 2 ones are 2. Now my second equation became in the form of this. So what we did, for method of elimination we can cancel it directly. For method of substitution we need to find the value of x or y. So if your variables are in your numerator, you will find the LCM and make your expression, make your equation in a form which does not have fractions. So my first equation is in the form of x plus y is equal to 6, and my second equation is in the form of x minus y is equal to 2. What we did is we found the LCM and we got it in this form. Okay. Now 3 and 4, as you see, we will continue the usual substitution method. From 3 we will get the value of x. The value of x is equal to 6 minus y. So from 3 x is equal to, when y goes to the other side, it becomes 6 minus y. Now this value we will substitute in the fourth equation. Now what is my fourth equation? X minus y is equal to 2. So from this I took the value of x and I am substituting the value in the other equation which I did not use. The same method of substitution. The only difference here is we converted the fractional expression into a non-fractional equation. Now substituting the value of x in fourth equation. So instead of x I will write my value of x. My value of x is 6 minus y. Now x becomes 6 minus y. I have a minus y is equal to 2. Now 6 minus y is equal to 2. 6 minus 2y is equal to 2. Minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 6. Minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4 by minus 2, which is equal to minus by minus is plus, 4 by 2 is 2. Therefore, my value of y is 2. Now I got the value of y. Now I will substitute the value of y either in the third equation or fourth equation and find the value of x. Substituting y is equal to 2 in third equation. My third equation is x plus y is equal to 6. So x plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, the value of x is 6 minus 2. When plus 2 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 2. The value of x becomes 4. Therefore, my solution is 4, 2. 4, 2. See, in method of elimination also you got 4, 2. Method of substitution also you got 4, 2. So, it is based on the question they ask. If they ask you to do the problem using method of elimination, try to eliminate it. If they ask you to do find the solution using method of substitution, convert the fractional expression into an equation which does not involve fractions and find the value of x. You can find the value of x here also directly, but it is easy if you simplify it in this form and then continue. So you get the same solution. We will try to solve another example. So this is example 2. X by 6 plus 2 by y is equal to 2, and x by 4 minus 1 by y is equal to 1. So in the previous question we had both our variables x and y in the numerator. Here we have one variable in the numerator and another variable in the denominator. So first we will do method of elimination. Okay, so elimination means we will try to eliminate one variable. Now this is x by 6 and this is x by 4. This is 2 by y and this is minus 1 by y. So plus and minus. So when you add 1 and 2, if you had a 2 here instead of 1, you could have cancelled this. So how will you make this as 2? We will have to multiply this entire equation 2 with 2. So when you multiply this entire equation with 2, it becomes 2 into x by 4. 2 into x by 4 minus 2 by y is equal to 2. Now 2 and 4, it will get cancelled. It will be simplified as x by 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 by y is equal to 2. Now you got the equation in the form of, this became in the form of 2 by y. So this is my third equation. Now I have a plus 2 by y and a minus 2 by y. Now if I add 1 and 3, I can eliminate 2 by y. So 1 plus 3. So I will do x by 6 plus 2 by y is equal to 2 is my first equation. And my third equation is x by 2 minus 2 by y is equal to 2. So when I eliminate this, what is remaining here? X by 6 plus x by 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. Now my LCM is 6x plus 3x. So 6 into 1 is 6. So x into 1 is 6. 2 into 3 gives me 6. So when I am multiplying my denominator with 3, I will multiply my numerator also with 3. So x into 3 is 3x is equal to 4. Now x plus 3x becomes 4x divided by 6. Division goes to the other side. It will become multiplication. 6 4s are 24. Now x is equal to 24 by 4. When multiplication goes to the other side, it becomes division. So the value of x is 6. 24 by 4 gives me 6. Now I can substitute the value of x in either the first equation or in the second equation. So I am substituting the value of x as 6 in the first equation. So substituting x is equal to 6 in equation 1. My equation 1 is x by 6 plus 2 by y is equal to 2. Now x is 6. 6 by 6 plus 2 by y is equal to 2. Now 6 by 6 is 1. 1 plus 2 by y is equal to 2. So I am continuing it here. So when 2 by y is equal to 2 minus 1. When 1 goes to the other side, it becomes 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 by y is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 by y is equal to 1. Now when I cross multiply, I will take this y this side. So when division goes to the other side, it becomes multiplication. Therefore 2 is equal to y. Therefore the value of y is 2. Therefore my solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. 6 comma 2. So just try whether you are getting your answer right. So 6, the value of x is 6. So 6 by, my solution is 6 comma 2. So the value of x is 6. 6 by 6 gives me 1 plus the value of y is 2. 2 by 2 gives me 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Again here the value of x is 6. So 6 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So my LCM is 4. Correct? So 6 minus 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 into 2 is 2. 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. We got the 1 here. So what I did, I substituted the value of x as 6 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So I took the LCM as 4. So I got my answer as 1, which is equal to the right answer. Therefore my solution 6 comma 2 is correct. We will see the same problem. We will find the solution of the same question using method of substitution. So this is my equation 1, equation 2. Substitution method means from one equation we will get the value of one variable and substitute that value in the second equation. So from 1 I am trying to get my value of x. So I will remove the other terms the other side. So x by 6 is 2 minus 2 by y. So x by 6 is equal to my LCM becomes y, right? So 2y minus 2. Now 6 goes to the other side, it will be multiplied here, 6 into 2y minus 2 by y. Therefore my x is equal to 12y minus 12 by y. So this value of x which I got, I will substitute in the second equation. Substituting the value of x in equation 2. What is my equation 2? X by 4 minus 1 by y is equal to 1. Now the value of x is 12y minus 12 by y is the value of x divided by 4 minus 1 by y is equal to 1. Now this y will get multiplied with 4. Denominator and the numerator will get multiplied. Denominator of the first fraction and numerator of the second fraction will be multiplied. So 12y minus 12 divided by 4y minus y, 1 by y is equal to 1. Now I have my LCM as 4y. So 12y minus 12, y into 4 gives me 4y. So 1 into 4 becomes 4. So minus 4 is equal to 1. So minus 12 and minus 4 becomes minus 16. 4y goes to the other side, it gets multiplied with 1. 4y. Now I take this 4y to one side and I take the constant to the other side. So 12y minus 4y is equal to plus 16. Minus 16 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 16. Now 12y minus 4y is 8y. 8y is equal to 16. So 8y is equal to 16. Therefore my y is 16 divided by 8, which is 2. Now taking this value of y as 2 and substituting in any one of the equation. So I am substituting in equation 1. Substituting y is equal to 2 in equation 1. Therefore x by 6 plus 2 by y is equal to 2 is my equation 1. Now this y value will be 2. X by 6 plus 2 by 2, which is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore my value is 2. X by 6 is equal to 2 minus 1. X by 6 is equal to 1. X is equal to 6 into 1. Division goes to the other side, it becomes multiplication. The value of x is 6. Therefore my solution is 6, 2. I got the same solution which I got using method of elimination. So method of substitution and method of elimination gives me the same solution. So what we did, we got the value of x from equation 1, like we got the value of x in terms of y. This value of x we substituted in equation 2. So instead of x, I will write the value which I got. When I solve it, I will get my solution for y. After getting the solution for y, I will substitute in the first or second equation and get my value of x.